Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Fibonacci Pi. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to install VS Code for the Visual Studio Code, how to download and install it. The best part is that it is completely free and it is also a popular choice by the developers around the globe. So let's start it. VS Code is lightweight and powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. It runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, and this supports every programming language. Almost every programming language is like Java, C#, JavaScript, Python, and any other programming languages, and many more. Okay, let's download the Visual Studio. Write code.visualstudio.com. You will see one big button to download for your device. Like I currently am using Windows machine, so that's why it's showing download for Windows. So if you are on Mac or Linux, it will show Mac or Linux. Now download it to install Visual Studio. After click on download, it will be downloading on your computer. Now click on save, and it will take maybe some minutes to download it, the installer. And once installed, go to your download folder. Go to your download folder and double click on the installer. Then I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Set a default folder, or you can choose where you want to install. Then click on next. So to continue, click on the next. Then if you want to have create desktop icon, so you can click on it. You can keep it as it is, and then click on next. And after that you will have to install. Click on install. Installation in progress. As this is a lighter code editor, so that's why it doesn't take too much of time to install. So let's finish. So once installation is done, so this is the welcome page you can have on the you can have it, and then you can start programming on whatever language you want to try, like Python, C#, Java, any other programming languages that you want to dive into. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next video. If anything, you just comment below if you want to have any help. So that's all. Thank you, and have a nice day.